My presentation is on early adulthood. Early adulthood age ranges from 22 to 34 years of age. By this age, physical maturity is complete. Reproductive system, motor skills, and lung capacity are operating at their peak. I'll be talking about Erik Erikson's theory of psychosocial development. Intimacy versus isolation is the sixth stage of this theory. This stage takes place between the age of 19 and 40. Erikson believed that developing close committed relationships with others was vital to a person's emotional well-being. Virtue is love and maldevelopment is emotional distance. Intimacy encompasses a lot of aspects in relationships, including not only romantic partners, but also close friends. Erikson believed in order to be successful in this stage, people would be able to obtain meaningful and fulfilling relationships. This is the types of intimacy. Physical intimacy, which is hugging, kissing, cuddling, and close proximity. Emotional intimacy, which is affirming, caring, being interested in each other's feelings. Spiritual intimacy is respect for each other's beliefs, shared purpose, and nurturing each other's inner peace. Mental intimacy is meaningful conversation, shared values, and interests. And all these things are meant to foster close connection. Isolation is choosing to be alone and not forming relationships. This can happen for several reasons, including neglect or abuse, divorce or widowhood, commitment issues, and bad relationships. Isolation can lead to loneliness and depression. People who struggle with isolation have a greater risk of developing serious health problems, including cardiovascular disease, depression, substance abuse, stress, and suicide. In conclusion, to be successful in this stage, according to Erik Erikson, people need to form close relationships romantically and in friendships. If people are unsuccessful in this stage, they will become isolated and lonely.